Hello, everyone, and welcome to yet another episode of Getting to Know Symbiosis Center for Distance Learning. Today, I have with me as my guest Professor Dr. Padmapriya Irabati. Welcome, ma'am. She has been in the field of education for the past 27 years and specializes in fields like business management, research methodology, entrepreneurship mentoring, case study development, just to name a few. She has been associated with SCDL for the past 10 years now and has actively been involved in various academic and professional development programs. So, welcome yet again, ma'am.
Thank you.
The first question I would like to ask you, ma'am, is what I like to ask all my guests, which is what sets SCDL apart from the other institutes in the field of distance learning?
Actually, before I answer and we talk about how SCDL set apart or rather it lead as one of the distance education provider, let me talk or rather let's discuss more about how distance education is different. Because SCDL have understood the nerve of delivering the distance education. The distance education primarily differ from traditional education in its delivery method, in the flexibility that it gives. Because in traditional education, students have to attend the classes in person, and that too at a specific time and place. Whereas in distance education, he can study remotely, and he can have the convenience of attending it as per his pace or schedule.
Right.
So this flexibility allows the learner to balance his learning, balance his education, and also accommodate and rather we can say look forward to his commitments of work as well as his family. So this is one of the biggest benefit of distance education.
Right.
Now talking about how SCDL have stood out in delivering distance education because of various features and USPs it has. SCDL's main important USP could be the comprehensive syllabus, comprehensive curriculum. Then it also have a excellent faculty base, the excellent student support system,
Right.
the programs that are being offered by SCDL all are recognized and they are accredited by all the different education bodies like AICTE.
Right.
Then we provide the flexibility of learning, as I said. And then there are excellent and advanced learning platforms. There is flexibility, as I said. There is accessibility of all the different learning inputs that student can get on different devices. So these are basically the features which definitely helps or rather which make the SCDL to stand out as a leader in delivering the distance education.
Absolutely, absolutely. I totally agree with you on that. But, ma'am, you mentioned the faculty members. So, this is something which I would like to ask you that what makes the faculty members of SCDL stand out in their respective fields, more so in distance learning?
Yeah, now academics and academic practices are the backbone of SCDL, I
Right.
would say. Because we have the distinguished faculty members who not only have the academic expertise but also
Right.
have the industry excellence, industry experience. And therefore, they bring the wealth of knowledge and they this helps the student to understand not only the theoretical concept but also the practical applications of the concept. Apart from that, I will say that SCDL faculty members have a very crucial role in continuous curriculum development because the faculty ensure that the curriculum is updated as per the industry requirements, as per the industry trends, and they ensure that they give or they create that dynamic learning environment. They give the opportunity to the student to go for those critical thinking processes in learning process. Apart from that, SCDL faculty members, as they are having the what we can say wealth of knowledge from their respective domain, they can help the student to actually understand the practical requirements of their professional life. So from that perspective, we have got different we can say formats like SCDL faculty members can help them to go for means they can give the one-to-one mentorship, one-to-one personalized advice. Because see, every student, particularly in the upskilling and reskilling
Right.
process, every student is different. His
Right.
background is different. He needs different inputs to identify that right course which can help him for his professional development. So we at SCDL we have the faculty who can give this kind of personalized and customized mentorship to the students. They help them to identify the right professional bodies to whom the student can align, or student can communicate and have that better social quotient, or his
Very
all those expertise needed. So this way faculty member is continuously engaged in giving that holistic development inputs to the students.
Right. So, if I understand it correctly, the faculty members at SCDL not only have a strong academic background, but it's a healthy mix of industry experience also. That would really help our viewers to understand to the depth which we go at SCDL to ensure that they get the latest learning. But that brings me to another interesting question. You mentioned something about the technology also. Now, we all know that technology is changing at a rapid pace. The marketplace is changing. The way people are looking at things is changing. So, in this scenario, how does SCDL ensure the quality and relevance of its programs?
Yeah, now quality and relevance is something which is at the core of the SCDL's education philosophy.
Right.
Basically, this technology play a very crucial role in providing this relevant and quality education to the students. Talking about different platforms, as I mentioned, that we provide them e-learnings. Right from the student inquire about what are the different career options they can go for, till he pass out, all the things happens online. So whether it is online inquiry, whether it is online admissions, online payments, online assignments, online examinations, so these are all things which happens online, which gives the student a very convenient way of learning. Simultaneously, we provide them the digital libraries, we provide them online classes, online faculty interaction forums, and apart from that, all the other activities that we provide generally are by using, we have our own learning platforms, advanced learning platforms, which helps the student to learn in the best possible way as per their pace. And they can also study, or rather come back to us in case if they have any problem. So along with technology, that personal touch is also there,
Right.
which definitely add and complement to the association and altogether output, and the ultimate what we can say, the result that we can see in the form of learning process.
Right. So, but then, ma'am, for any educational institute, whether it is a conservative mode or online, the core stakeholder is the student.
Yes.
At the end of the day. So, how does the faculty members at SCDL support students' academic and professional growth?
As I already told, that SCDL faculty members are very much, like they maintain this academic excellence through various activities, like right from continuous updation of the curriculum till giving all the holistic inputs to the students. So apart from their syllabus that we cover, we also give them various bridge courses. We
Right.
give them different mentorship sessions. We gave them career continuation programs. Then there are a lot of webinars that happens time to time on the trades that are happening in that particular professional domain.
Right.
So these are all different inputs, and apart from that, they give them the personalized guidance.
Okay.
Because every student is different, as I said, and therefore that personalized training, personalized guidance in identifying the right option for their upskilling and reskilling
Right.
is something which is differentiating the SCDL faculty members from the remaining other organizations and their faculty members.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, what is the last piece of advice you would give to the students who are considering SCDL as their academic partner?
Not just to the students who are considering the SCDL, but this is something which I would like to suggest in general, that basically when we talk about upskilling and reskilling, something which is very important is to identify your career goals. Because generally what happens, students are not aware about their career goals. And again, when it comes to career goals, it is not just long-term career goals. you should divide your career goals in short-term career goals and long-term career goals, because probably what career goals I may be having today may not be there after 2 years or 5 years down the line. So one should understand that first, and after that you have to understand the second element which I will most stress is flexibility.
Right.
Because in the beginning only I have told you that distance education is something which should give that flexibility to the student to learn at their own pace. So one should understand that while identifying the right institute for their upskilling and reskilling, they should see that whether they are giving them the flexibility of learning. Because as we have seen that SCDL give them the wealth of flexibility in learning process to learn as per their pace. So thirdly, I would like to tell them that in case if they need, they should be very much concerned about, and they should be very alert about the trends that are happening in the industry, because that will help them to identify the skill gaps that they may have and can work on them. And in that case, if they want any help from the SCDL faculty members, they can always come back to us. They can counsel. We are there to help them to identify what courses could be beneficial for them from the not only from the present requirements of the industry, but also from the future trends that are going to come in the industry. So that is something which I would be keen about. And something which is most important is the balance of life.
Right.
Because nowadays what is happening, there are so many already the stress that these people are going through when they are working. But when they are looking forward to go for some upskilling or reskilling option, they should ensure that how they are also balancing their mental peace as well as physical health, physical and mental health. Because unless and until they are having that peace of mind, they will not be able to give the best to their education process. So that is also equally important.
Right.
So this is what I would like to tell you.
So thank you so much, ma'am, for those wonderful inputs. I am sure that after listening to ma'am, those who are already our students would feel proud of their decision, and it will also help those who are still thinking of joining SCDL to make up their minds. So thank you very much,
Thank you.
ma'am. Thank you.